Facts about some common bankruptcy myths. The facts. Fact 1. When you file for bankruptcy, usually you get to keep most of your property. If you file for bankruptcy, you do not have to lose most of your property. If you file for Chapter 7, your furniture, clothes, household goods, one car, and your house are usually protected, and you will not lose them just because you filed for bankruptcy. Fact 2. You will be able to buy things on credit even though you filed for bankruptcy. Many people get offers for new credit cards soon after they file, or even while they're in the middle of a bankruptcy case, but the offers come with a pretty high interest rate. And a few months after their case is over, people can often get car loans. Bankruptcy does not stop you from buying a house, but you will probably not get the best interest rate. If you work to build your credit after your bankruptcy, many people can get a mortgage as soon as 2 years after the case is over. You are not ruined even though the bankruptcy will be on your credit report for 10 years. All bad credit is on your credit report for 7 years. Bankruptcy is just on a little longer, for 10 years. But people can often still buy things on credit after a bankruptcy. One reason you can get credit after your bankruptcy is because you are usually debt-free. So in a way, banks may think you are a good credit risk because you do not have a lot of other debt. Fact: you must tell the court about all of your creditors. Sometimes when people file for bankruptcy, they want to leave out certain creditors. This is a bad idea and against the law. You are not allowed to leave out the debt to your brother, your mortgage, or your auto lender in the bankruptcy. Listing all of your creditors does not mean that you will lose that property. You must list every creditor to let the court know about all of your debts. Fact 5. Your spouse does not have to file for bankruptcy just because you do. You can file for bankruptcy alone, even if you are married. If your spouse does not want to file and you do, that is okay. Fact 6. Sometimes you can discharge your taxes in bankruptcy. In some limited circumstances, you can wipe out your back income tax debts in bankruptcy. There are special rules, so talk to a lawyer if you want to get rid of back taxes.